The smokescreen security system is designed to disorient and stop robbers by releasing a dense fog, reducing visibility in the surrounding area to almost zero. The smallest device, weighing just 22 pounds, can produce a quick initial 40-second fog burst that lasts for 40 minutes, allowing the homeowner time to escape or alert the police. The company, Concept Smokescreen, has also developed an advanced version equipped with AI that detects intruders through video surveillance and automatically releases smoke if a threat is identified. This device, which resembles a slot machine, offers an effective and innovative solution for home security. The Supernal S-A2, developed by Hyundai Motor Group's Supernal division, is an electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) vehicle designed for commercial and city passenger journeys, with operations set to begin in 2028. A key feature of the S-A2 is its 8 swiveling rotors that provide both vertical and horizontal thrust, enabling the aircraft to reach speeds over 120 miles per hour at an elevation of 1,500 feet, making quick work of 25 to 40-mile city trips. Built with safety as a priority, the S-A2 meets all international safety regulations and features a modular, customizable cabin that can be easily reconfigured to accommodate cargo or 2 to 4 passengers. Designed by renowned automotive designers, the S-A2 represents a significant advancement in advanced air mobility, offering a sustainable, efficient, and safe mode of transportation. The Timbercraft Big Sky is a luxurious tiny home designed to offer a spacious living experience within a compact mobile structure. Built on a 41-foot trailer, it combines rustic charm with modern design, featuring horizontal metal siding, cedar accents, and a shed-style roof. Inside, the Big Sky is bright and inviting, with large windows, shiplap walls, and pine ceilings. The living area includes a large couch or convertible sofa bed, while the kitchen boasts modern appliances such as a 4-burner cooktop, oven, dishwasher, and a large refrigerator, complemented by a copper sink and wooden cabinetry. It maintains essential components of larger homes, including a fully equipped kitchen, a tiled bathroom with a vanity, and a heating/cooling system. The layout includes a ground-floor bedroom with a king-size bed, a loft bedroom accessible via a storage-integrated staircase, and a bathroom with a glass-enclosed shower. With Timbercraft's towable tiny home starting at $14,000, the price per foot is comparable to or higher than that of a traditional foundation-built home. The Ultra Slim air conditioner from Hayes offers a convenient way to create a comfortable environment in any room without the need for construction work or other hassles. It's easy to move and connects to a window with a hose in just a few minutes. The air conditioner can be switched on using a remote control or the unit's panel, and it actively adjusts the room temperature. This standard model comes with one hose, but there's also a more advanced version with 2 hoses, capable of cooling areas up to 550 square feet. The Invisibility Shield 2.0, a result of 4 years of extensive development and testing, is a second-generation optical cloaking device that offers enhanced stability, ease of use, and portability. These shields are made from high-grade polycarbonate, ensuring robustness and durability, with ergonomic handles for comfort and the ability to be disassembled and packed into carry cases. The main body is extruded from a single piece of material, allowing more light to pass through, improving background clarity, and eliminating adhesive issues. Unlike its fictional counterpart, this shield requires no power source. Simply assemble and position it to cloak the subject. The shield's precision-engineered lens array directs light away, creating effective invisibility, particularly against uniform backgrounds like foliage, walls, sand, and horizontal lines. Available in 3 sizes: mini shield, 12 by 7.9 inches, priced at about $69, full-size shield 33 by 23 inches, at $378, and mega shield 6 by 4 feet, at $878. This product, as designer Tristan Thompson states, opens up endless possibilities for creative use. While it may be tempting to prank friends, it's clear that these shields are not just functional, but also incredibly fun to play around with, reflecting the team's passion for pushing the limits of this exciting technology. Explore the Ripsaw EV2, a striking evolution of the Ripsaw rover first introduced in 2001. Today, it captivates military enthusiasts worldwide as a luxury tank with features like gull-wing doors, the ability to drift, and a control panel that echoes a space shuttle. This vehicle adds a touch of glamour to the tank driving experience, powered by a formidable 700 horsepower 6.6L diesel engine. Despite its weight of 4.5 tons, the Ripsaw EV2 accelerates from 0 to 80 km per hour in just 5.5 seconds, showcasing impressive speed and power in a unique package. This home cinema system offers a movie theater experience without leaving your house. With the press of a button, a projector emerges from the wall, and even the table and couch reveal hidden seats, thanks to the mobility of various interior elements powered by mechanisms from future automation. The video showcases many different uses, but the possibilities are even greater in reality, allowing you to transform your home into a place full of surprises. While the cost depends on numerous factors and isn't disclosed, it's clear this system won't come cheap. We're eagerly awaiting the day when, with the press of a button, a separate cinema building will appear in the backyard. But for now, we admire those who have the desire and skills to build fully functioning home theaters themselves. The Xpeng AeroHT represents a groundbreaking advancement in low-altitude air transportation with its state-of-the-art Xpeng AeroHT modular flying automobile. This innovative vehicle seamlessly transitions between flying and driving modes, thanks to its ground module that stores power for the air module. Designed for superior off-road performance and increased cargo capacity, it features 6x6 all-wheel drive and rear-wheel steering. The AeroHT can take off and land vertically using electric power, and offers both manual and automatic driving modes for user convenience. Its dispersed electric propulsion system meets safety standards for single-point failure, ensuring a reliable and safe flying experience. With a 270 degrees panoramic view from its two-seater cockpit, the Xpeng AeroHT Voyager X2, launching in 2024 with a starting price of $26,000, promises an exceptional flight experience. The Xtend bathtub by Karina Ducci Design Studio is a unique product that unfolds from a 15 pounds, 3-inch thick plate into a usable shape, making it ideal for fans of mobility and those living in compact spaces. Despite its portability, it still offers a comfortable bathing experience with its fabric inlay. While it may not have many additional features for home use, it stands out for its design, crafted from carbon fiber using high-pressure waterjet cutting technology. As designer Karina Ducci states, Xtend reimagines the conventional concept of a bathtub, though unfortunately, it is not available for purchase. Explore GenRight Off-Road, founded by Tony Polino, whose passion for off-roading and Jeeps began at age 5. Polino recognized that standard parts and many custom options were inadequate for extreme riding, leading him to create GenRight Off-Road. The company offers exceptional components, including shock absorbers with 36 centimeters of travel, suspension brackets twice as thick as standard ones, and light covers crafted from 3.2 millimeters cold-rolled steel. These upgrades deliver performance that's best appreciated visually, as one video showcasing their enhancements can convey more than 1,000 words.